How's it going? What's your name?
Mohammed.
Mohammed? Nice to meet you. Did you just cross?
Yeah.
How are you?
Good.
How long have you been walking?
This morning.
Do you know where you are?
No, I don't know where I'm now.
Do you want to know?
Yeah.
You're in Canada. Is that what you wanted?
Yeah. From Somalia.
Okay, you're called. We need to call. Okay?
RCP dispatch, bonjour.
This is a Canadian police officer.
I'm going to take you over there, and we're going to go get you some medical care, okay?
So,
Over there, okay?
He's worried that you're an American police officer.
Yeah. Sir, you have to come with me, okay? I'm a police officer, and I'm going to take you over to the Canadian port, and we'll hear your refugee claim, okay? Do you understand?
American police?
Canadian police. RCMP.
Yes.
Yep.
Okay, come on.